grateful to Shobnaji for arranging this program, and the name is so beautiful, Lalita Arpan. I was thinking of comparison between India and several other countries, the classical dances, the classical music. But India is very, very unique, and we were very, very, I should say, civilized, if I can use the word, and very knowledgeable people, because civilization is all about getting the best out of human beings. And the best got expressed in thought, philosophy, and performing art was one of them. So while dance is treated as dance, India had a different definition for it. And it said, I'm quoting Bharat Muni, and he said that Geetam, Vadyam, Nrityam cha Sangeetam asti, which means Geet, we all understand the vocal singing patterns. Vadya is the instrumental music, and dance is Nritya. So once you have singing styles, you have instrumental music, and you have dance. That together is called Sangeet, which is the performing art. And that's what we are all going to witness. And Bharat Muniji further says, and this is what we are talking about is 4th century BC or beyond that. At that time, these were the nuances. What I later learned in my life, a couple of years ago, we sent this as one of the UNESCO World Heritage, Intangible Cultural Heritage. And I pushed that a lot. I said, the world needs to know. Everybody talks about Greek theatre. People know about Greek theatre. People know very little about Natya Shastra. That 4th century BC, the knowledge was given in the form that this has to be the lighting, this has to be the dressing, that's how you do the music, that's how you arrange the background music, this is how you do the budgeting. The treatise also mentions about budgeting, state performance. And I said if 4th century BC, human mind could draft all this, means the traditions would have been still older. And that goes to show that we all need to learn a little more about what we know about ourselves, our own culture, our own heritage, and take pride in it and also promote it. I'm very grateful to Jyotsna ji for having arranged it, Avaji, everyone, because art and especially performing art requires patronage. And that patronage, in whichever form we all can contribute, we all can be part of that journey. One is of course the Guru, the other is the Shishya. So whether our children start to learn and we promote art and craft and culture, or corporate houses come forward to promote these instances, that's how continuity will go on. And yesterday only I had a conversation with someone who said, I have been visiting this country or I have been in this country for a very long time, and over a period of time I realized that gradually and slowly the sari is going away. Very few people, and especially young people, are wearing saris these days. So I laughed, and I'm one great sari fan. So I said sari will never go out of tradition in this country. It will just not happen. And the only thing is, the way it has happened in the world, that all of us get into trousers, shirts and t-shirts for convenience sake, but that remains an element of convenience. It can never be part of Indian tradition. Indians are very, very stubborn people. In spite of challenges, they have continued with their traditions, in spite of challenges of all forms. So sari may become a bit more of a formal dress or going out dress or whatever, but sari can never go out of tradition in this country. And so will the continuity of culture, with everyone being so attached to our own art, craft, culture, embroideries, prints, so on and so forth. And I can see each one being dressed, and I can appreciate every tradition which is being carried by all my friends here on the stage and also in front. We will continue for the love of it. We will continue for the identity of it. We will continue for our own identity's sake. And I must close my words by saying one slok from Natya Shastra, and that says, and that is very important, especially when I see my great friends as performing art exponents. I must, in front of them, is like literally showing a small lamp to big lights on the stage. And that says, Yato, because mudra has a great meaning in all our performing art. Yato hasta tato drishti. Yato drishti, tato mana, yato mana, tato bhava, tato rasa. So expressions will find their way, and that's what audience will enjoy themselves, because mudras will decide where the eye is going to be, and where the eye is going to be, that's where the heart is going to be. Where heart is going to be, that's where the emotions are going to be. Where emotions are going to be, that's where the expression will be. So let's enjoy the expression, let's enjoy the excellence, let's enjoy this evening. Thank you very, very much. Have a great day, have a great evening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Draupadi, Gandhari, three enigmatic women, noble, courageous and righteous, seeing corpses around, are lost in thought. It's not easy to forget, each justifying every deed, convincing themselves that they had no choice indeed.
endurance, attributes of both Mother Earth and woman. Kunti held together her 5 sons through all adverse situations. Her sons were pearls that till hitherto were strung together in a chain of maternal love and bonding. Would their wives further this bondage or encourage disintegration? Could her statement to share that she had uttered unknowingly to her sons who had sought her attention in order to see Draupadi become an advantage? Could Draupadi become the much needed strength for further strengthening the bond between the brothers that was specially required in the face of adversities? In fire-born Draupadi, Kunti sees the strength of
Yudhishthir. अनमोल मेरे पांच मोती हैं, अनमोल मात्र प्रेम के धागे में हैं बंधे, मात्र प्रेम के धागे में हैं बंधे। परे चिंता कचोट थी मेरे बाप, परे चिंता कचोट थी मेरे बाप, कैसे रहेंगे ये साथ सदा, कैसे रहेंगे ये साथ सदा। स्वभाव सभी पुत्रवधूओं के भ्राता भाव बांध सकेंगे, स्वभाव सभी पुत्रवधूओं के भ्राता भाव बांध सकेंगे, बिखरे मोह एकाकी संसार, बिखरेंगे मोती एकाकी संसार, रोते मैं विचार के रोते मैं विचार के रहती कानों में गूंजती विकल वेदना जो बदकी, रहती कानों में गूंजती विकल वेदना जो बदकी। मातम नामा मुझे बचारो वस्तु नहीं, हूँ भाव भरी नारी वस्तु नहीं, हूँ भाव भरी नारी। रहती कानों में गूंजती विकल वेदना जो बदकी, रहती कानों में गूंजती विकल वेदना जो बदकी। मानो नामा मुझे बचारो वस्तु नहीं, हूँ भाव भरी नारी वस्तु नहीं, हूँ भाव भरी नारी। द्रौपदी तुम क्या जानो दुविधा मेरी मेरी मेरी, गिरे जटिल घड़ी में हैं हम सभी। द्रौपदी तुम क्या जानो दुविधा मेरी, गिरे जटिल घड़ी में हैं हम सभी। कौन शत्रु पहचानते नहीं, कौन मित्र कौन शत्रु पहचानते नहीं, कौन मित्र कौन शत्रु पहचानते नहीं। पुत्र वधू कब बिखरे मैं जानते नहीं, पुत्र वधू कब बिखरे मैं जानते नहीं, मैं जानते नहीं, मैं जानते नहीं, मैं जानते नहीं। द्रौपदी कुंती की द्रौपदी 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 कुंती की द्रौपदी